About 500 years ago, in Western civilization, although there's quite a lot of evidence that the particular method was invented before that by the Arabs, there was some guys in the Italian Renaissance who couldn't read Latin or Greek, or couldn't read Greek anyway. And one of these guys was called Leonardo da Vinci. And he started using, either developed himself or thought for himself or found out from somewhere, a method of finding out about how stuff worked that didn't depend on reading about what the Romans or the Greeks thought about it. It didn't depend on learning it from some authority. And the method he invented, or he used in his researches, was what we now call the scientific method. And what that method is basically you make some shit up, you have a look at what happens. If they agree, your original stuff was a good approximation of what's going on. If not, you throw it away and you make some new stuff up that does agree. And you refine your model not by asking Archimedes or something, but by asking nature. What does nature say? And this process has proven so powerful that despite the fact that Italian Renaissance technology at the time of Leonardo is roughly equivalent to Greek technology 2,000 years earlier, and the 2,000 years in between there had been no progress, pretty much, people invented this scientific method, started using it. By the time Galileo, it was just common knowledge, everybody did it. And what that's produced is it's produced a bootstrapping of human understanding of how stuff works, which is exactly this process. What you do is you don't change reality, because reality is reality. Obviously you don't change reality. You change your view of reality. You change your way of explaining reality. And that continuous change is what we call science. Our understanding of how stuff works is just getting more and more potent at being able to build machines, steam engines, cars, then build computers, build lasers, build quantum devices, stuff that comes out of imagination, goes into the third world, becomes common knowledge, becomes something that you make in a factory. So and that process goes on, but this is that method. You go back and you refine the way you think about things so you can think about it more effectively. So it's not cheating, it's the way. It's the scientific method. So this is where you came